Assalamualaikum. We are from the ITC Group 1. We'll propose our network design and topology of a CPA firm with 5 departments in 3 stories building. The company are produce car components such as tires, seats, electrical panels, and so on. The departments are divided into 5, which is Financial and Treasury departments, Procurement departments, Human Resources departments, Sales and Marketing departments, and Technical Supports and IT departments. The total employees assigned in this company is 560 employees with 10% of the top management. Hence, we will assign 2% of the top management into each departments. As you can see here, this is a physical model of our network topology with 5 departments network connects in the company. This is a building of our car company, and this is all the departments devices that is connected into the buildings. Here is the logical mode of the topology. There are 3 routers connected to each other. So there will be a router in each floor. Switches that is connected to the router, and also devices that is connected into the switches. We will see the network details of each floor. In the first floor, 2 switches will be connected into a router. Each switch will assign to different department, which is Procurement department and Financial Treasury department. There will be also Procurement Manager for Procurement department and Treasury Manager for Treasury department. Next, for the second floor, it is the same method like in the first floor, where there will be 2 departments in the same floor connected with the router, and each department will have their own switch. The difference here is the number of devices that were connected. It has to do with the number of hosts needed in each department that will be explained later. Lastly, for the third floor, it is a little bit different with the other floor, which we assigned only one department, which is Technical Support and IT department, with devices connected to the switch. And there will be an IT manager as one of the top manager in the company.
I would like to present about the table which has the IP address assigned to each devices in our network topology. In the first floor, we have one router which called router 1. There is one IP address assigned to it, which is 192.168.20.1, Financial and Treasury department. And in this department, the first device is the switch, which called switch 8, PD1, PD2, PD3, PD4, PD5, and another one is PDK, which refer to the Treasury Manager. There are IP address which is 192.168.2.4 refer to the first PC, the 192.168.2.3 refer to the second PC, 192.168.2.2 refer to the third PC, 192.168.2.9 refer to the fourth PC, 192.168.2.8 refer to the fifth PC, and the PDK PC will be 192.168.2.7. These all devices in this department has one IP gateway, which is 192.168.2.1. Next, we will go to the second department, which is Procurement department. We have one switch which called switch 4, which has the interface of VLAN 99, and the IP address that assigned to the switch is 192.168.10.253. And there is also 6 PC inside this department, which called FT1, FT2, FT3, FT4, FT5, and FTK, which refer to Procurement Manager. There are IP address which are 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.7, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.4, 192.168.1.5, 192.168.1.6, and this all device in the department also has the IP gateway that assigned to each device, which is the IP of 192.168.1.1. Okay, next is the detail for the second floor. In the second floor, we have also the router, which called router 5. In here, we can see the third department, which called human resource department. There are one switch called switch 0, which has the interface of VLAN 99. And there is IP address assigned to the switch, which is 192.168.10.252. We have 5 PC, which called HR1, HR2, HR3, HR4, and PDK, which is referred to HR manager. There are also IP address which assigns to each of them, which is 192.168.3.2, 192.168.3.3, 192.168.3.4, 192.168.3.5, 192.168.3.6. And all device in this department has one IP gateway, which is 192.168.3.1. The fourth department, which is sales and marketing department, also has one switch, which called switch 1, which has the interface of VLAN 99, and the IP address which assigned to the switch is 192.168.10.251. There are 4 PC attached to the switch, which is SM1, SM2, SM3, and another one is FTK, which refer to the access manager. There are IP address that assigned to this PC: 192.168.4.6, 192.168.4.4, 192.168.4.3, and 192.168.4.2. These all devices in the department has one IP gateway, which is 192.168.4.1. Next, we go to the detail for the third floor. The fifth department, which called technical support and IT department. In this department, we have one switch, which is switch 2. Switch 2 has an interface, which is VLAN 99, and the IP address that assigned to the switch is 192.168.10.252. There are 4 PC attached to the switch, which is IT1, IT2, IT3, and another one is ITK, which refer to IT manager. There are IP address also assigned on every PC, which is 192.168.5.2, 192.168.5.3, 192.168.5.4, and 192.168.5.5. And these all devices in the department has one IP gateway, which is 192.168.5.1. Now we will go to the subnetting calculation part. In here we can see one table for 5 departments that we have calculated. For the first row, it shows the first floor, which is in the finance and treasure department. The host needed by the department is 256, and so we will have the available host address, which is 510. In here, we will use the network address for 192.168.0.0 slash prefix 23, and the first address will be 192.168.0.1, and the last available address will be 192.168.1.254. The broadcast address will be 192.168.1.255. The second floor, the second department, which is procurement department, they need 160 hosts. So we will have 254 available host address. The new network address, which is 192.168.2.0 slash prefix 24, and the first address will be 192.168.2.1, and the last address will be 192.168.2.254, and the broadcast address will be 192.168.2.255. For the third department, will be located on the first floor, which is HR department. In this department, they need 128 hosts, so we can get the available host address, which is 254, And the next network address will be 192.168.3.0. The first address used is 192.168.3.1. The last available host address is 192.168.3.254, and the broadcast address will be 192.168.3.255. For the fourth department, which is on the second floor, it is sales and marketing department. In here, they need 128 hosts, the available host address of 254 also, and the next network address will be 192.168.4.0/prefix24, and the first address will be 192.168.4.1. The last address will be 192.168.4.254. The broadcast address will be 192.168.4.255. For the last department, which is the fifth department, which is technical support and IT department, which located on the third floor, the department need the host address of 64, so the available host address is 126. The next network address will be 192.168.5.0/prefix25, and for the first address, we will use 192.168.5.1. The last address will be 192.168.5.126, and the broadcast address will be 192.168.5.126.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I'll be assigning IP address on PC and VLAN on switch. First, we assign IP address on PC. We need to configure its IP address and also its gateway. We need to also do the same to other PC as well, and use the other PC. Ensure that the gateway is the same. Then we introduce VLAN on our switch. Here's the command, and there's the IP address for the VLAN. Then we try to ping the VLAN, and as you see, it was a success. Then we repeat the same step to other department as well. Introduce VLAN, here's the IP address for the VLAN, and try to ping the VLAN. It was also a success for this department. And lastly, we also introduce our VLAN to switch in the sales and marketing department. Repeat the same step and try to ping and ensure that it is a success. Also, there's a need to assign an IP address for the PC and also the gateway. Repeat the same step.
Next, on the second floor, at Human Resource Department, we already assigned the IPv4 address with 192.168.3.2 and its default gateway. Those steps are same go to the other devices. You can check it here. Meanwhile, on switch O, we assign its IP address with 192.168.10.252 and its default gateway. We already pinged the IP address. Here we can see that every floor are connected with the router. Lastly, on the third floor at Technical Support and IT Department, we assign the IT manager's device with its IPv4 address and the default gateway. Also, those devices on the same department have been assigned and pinged with their IP addresses. We can check through those commands in switch 2, the IP address, default gateway, and we ping the IP address. They all are successfully connected. On the next step, we try to send messages on each device. Here we try to send message from Procurement Department to Financial and Treasury Department. It shows successful on the status here, we can successfully send messages from the devices on the same department also. We try to send message from the first floor to the second floor and it shows successful status below there. Even on the second floor also can send messages from each devices on different department. Here we can see successful. Then we try to send message from technical support and IT department to the sales and marketing department. It also successful. Devices from the same floor also we can.